how to add Snapchat filter to a picture from gallery. So if you want to add Snapchat filter to a picture from gallery, this video is for you. Now go and open up your Snapchat app. After you open Snapchat app like this, now all you have to do now, go ahead now and tap on this option to upload your picture. So from this section now, go to this camera roll. So now go and search for the picture you want to add the filter to it. So for me, let's say now I want to use this picture, this one. After I select the picture like this, now if I want to now add filter to this picture, all I have to do now, I'll just tap on this arrow. So after I tap on the arrow, from here you can be able now to see the filter. Here is the filter. So now I'll just do like this. So here is the filter now appears. Now go ahead and search for the filter you want to add. So for me, let's say now I wanted to add this filter to the picture. After you add the filter to the picture, now tap on this export button. So from this, now scroll to left and tap on this download button. So now I add filter to a picture from gallery and I download the picture. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.